What's up everybody? Quickly wanted to say something ahead of the video right here. A quick reminder that we have a signal group. The markets right now are very volatile. There's a lot going on. If you want the perfect guidance, profitable trades and education on actually how to become a profitable trader yourself, consider joining. All right, it will help. It will help a lot. There's more than only signals. So consider that. And right now there's also a special lifetime deal. If you DM me on X, Telegram, you can find out more about that. Otherwise, links will be down in the description. Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on SUI. Wanted to do a full update for two reasons. First of all, just to keep you updated on SUI, of course. We'll take a quick look at the fundamentals as well as the technicals, but outside of that, which I think might even be more interesting, it seems like, or at least I think we have the possibility to get some strength for the entire SUI ecosystem. All right, so then I'm talking about coins like Cetus, coins like Deep, maybe even meme coins like Hippo, like FUD, whatever. But I think there's a chance that we actually do see some sort of a major breakthrough here. And that's for multiple reasons. First of all, this morning has been very volatile. We've had some sort of a deal between China and the US this weekend, which is great. That's obviously good news. And even though the crypto markets are reacting to it quite strangely, the general financial markets are reacting to it positively. So I would argue that we will also see more bullish momentum in the crypto markets. That is at least what most major indices for altcoins, but also Bitcoin specifically, would still indicate on the higher time frames, right? So short term, we can have a lot of volatility, right? Especially on the Monday, especially with inflation rates coming in tomorrow. So that is definitely something you should know and something you should be prepared for. But higher time frames and fundamentally, I think we're still bullish. All right, so that's great. That in general is already great for SUI, which has broken above this major resistance zone at 3.8 and is now finding some balance on top of that. So ultimately, like if you just take a look at this structure, I would already say that it's most likely that we'll head for this next price target at 4.5 and 4.6. However, what we're seeing this morning is some interesting price action for the entire ecosystem. Like I said, the SUI ecosystem right now, when we're taking a look at these categories, is actually the second best performing category. It says third right here, but that's because Solana meme and memes are separated, which I would say they're both meme coins in terms of a category. And the SUI ecosystem is just behind that. And then you can also see, if we go away from SUI right here, you can also see that a coin like Deep is trying to break out, arguably has already broken out, also has some elevated volume this morning. Cetus, same thing. You could say it has already broken out. You could say it's trying to break out, but there's also real volume behind this. It's the highest volume since the 29th of April. And usually when you see something like that, like the main coin, our big friend SUI, will also rally together with that, right? And in general, the fundamentals for the SUI network have been quite good. If we take a look at some of these financial metrics, what you can see is that the DEX trading volumes are still incredibly high. The TVL is obviously moving up together with the price. But you can see right now that the TVL is actually higher than where it was January the 19th. And if we go back to the price, January the 19th, the price was right here at $5, right? So that's a bullish divergence. The price right now is lower, the TVL is higher, and what that suggests, or at least what that indicates, is real network growth, all right? Because very often the TVL is just completely correlated with how the price is moving. In this case, that's not true. So therefore, I have to be bullish on this. And like I said, I mean, short term, especially during the US opening today, tomorrow also a possibility, we can have volatility. Like ultimately, we could spike all the way down to 3.7. But as long as you know that, I think you're going to be fine. And ultimately, like I said, for all the reasons I've given in this video, I think bullish continuation is most likely here. And that's what I think you need to know. All right. So if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And I'll see you on my next videos. Bye.